Hey guys, this is Michael with Cole Media Solutions. Now, I just finished visiting with a potential client, and the whole idea of the question was, do I really need a website? And my answer to this, and no matter who asks this and what kind of business you're in, is always going to be yes. Now, I know a lot of you sitting there going, well, more people are on Facebook these days, more people are on Twitter, more or X as it's called, or Instagram or LinkedIn. But the thing is that doesn't mean that's your whole audience. Your whole audience isn't on Facebook. Your whole audience isn't on X. Your whole audience isn't on Instagram. So how do you meet the rest of them? And then plus also look at it this way is if you're looking for a restaurant to eat at, or if you're looking for a place to buy a car, or if you're looking for, just name any kind of business. If you're looking for it, you don't go to Facebook and say, car dealerships near me. Or you don't go and say, hey, restaurants in Beaumont, Texas. You sit there and you go to Google, you go to Bing, you go to whatever search engine, DuckDuckGo, that you happen to like, and that's how you search for it. And if your business doesn't have a website and isn't doing SEO and isn't optimizing, you're not going to be seen. And it's just the fact of the matter is that if you don't have a website, and if you don't have a website that is well built, no one's going to see you. So, hey, you can continue to follow our page and we'll talk about some cool website ideas, or you can contact Cole Media Solutions directly and sit down with us and see what kind of websites we can build for you. But like I said, is that you need a website.